We're going to be playing at 1080p on a single 970 on its user preset just to see if it can hold 60 frames per second. So here we go. And this game is just one of those race games where I can just sit back. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is, doesn't matter what day it is. I can just sit back, totally enjoy it. It's just that good. Oh, I almost missed that. That would have sucked. Nice.
Great driving. You're getting back to basics, showing people how you came to be boss in the first place. This is good for you. Well then, just when I think you can't surprise me anymore, you break out a drive like that. That's 3 stars.
Now, if you want to play this game on Ultra at 1080p or a higher resolution, you're just going to have to get a better graphics card. You know, I mean, a 970 just ain't going to cut it. Just how it is. That's the life of a PC gamer. Just got to deal with it. If you don't like it, well, get an Xbox One, PlayStation 4. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And remember, happy PC gaming. Laters.